In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the channel ID in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to open your Slack workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the specific channel for which you want to find the ID. For example, let's say we're looking for the ID of the editing channel. Go ahead and click on that channel to make it active. Now that you have your channel open, the next step is to access the channel details. Look towards the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the channel name displayed. Go ahead and click on that channel name. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear with various options related to the channel. In this pop-up, keep an eye out for information displayed in the bottom left section. This is where all the important details are located. Specifically, you'll want to find the area that shows files and other channel-specific info. But there is something even more useful right there. You should see the channel ID listed next to an icon that says Copy Channel ID. Take a moment to locate that channel ID, and once you've found it, you can click on that Copy Channel ID icon. This will automatically copy the ID to your clipboard, making it super easy to paste wherever you need. Now, a quick note to keep in mind. Typically, only workspace owners or admins can view channel IDs in this way. So if you're trying to find the ID and you don't see it, you might need to double-check your permissions within the Slack workspace. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've found the channel ID. Whether you're working on integrations, configuring bots, or just trying to keep track of your channels for some other reason, knowing how to access the channel ID can be incredibly handy. Thank you for watching. If this helped you to understand how to find the channel ID in Slack, don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything we discussed, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. All right, that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow along. The process of finding the channel ID is straightforward once you know where to look, and I'm glad I could guide you through. Until next time, happy slacking, and remember to check